Okay, now I'm gonna take a look at something really cool. Well, it does what this does, but it does it better. And I'll show you what in a second. This is a smart measuring tape, and we'll see what's inside this cool box. Boom, just like that. And now we have the tools bag in here. We have the accessories, and that is it in the box itself. Let's see what's in this little toolbox. Should be the charger somewhere. Yep. So we have a user's manual, Allen slash screwdriver, USB type A to type C charger, lanyard, cool, pass inspection, and some stickers if you want to use them. And then the beauties in this box right here. Yes, ACEGMET, and let me pull it out. Oh yeah, this is the beast. Yes, I know you're confused probably right now on what this is. This is a measuring tape. And not just any measuring tape, but it has a lot of other measures with level, with laser, with distance, all those functions put in one. But the difference between this and the normal smart measuring tapes is that this one actually has a tape inside. Yes, it features a real tape that while you pull the tape, you'll get the measurements. And you can just release it here with a button. Look at that. Boom. And to turn it on, we have to hold this button right here. And as you see, now it's on. And you see the green laser already on the wall. And we can measure as much as we want, or we click to take it out. As you see, we can measure from this face now with a tape instead. Look. While I pull the tape, look at that. Look at it again. See that? Let me take this peel real quick. And now let me do something. So right now should be 1 foot on the tape, and it says 1 foot here. Look at the tape, 1 point something. Let me put it to 1 sharp. Yep, as much as 1 sharp as I could do there. And look at that, 1 sharp. And in the other side, yes, you have measurements as well. Up to 12 feet right there, feet and inches. And this is absolutely beautiful. And you have in imperial here and metric right here. So you have centimeters, millimeters as well. And well, I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, but you can click this button right here. And now you have a laser. I'm not sure if you can see it there, but while we point the laser at something, it's measuring, as you see. Let me put it from there, and let me put this box right here. So it says 1 foot 14. Well, let's measure that with a 1 foot 14. It should be around behind here because it starts here. Yep, 1 foot 14. That is actually really cool. So it is accurate. And if I click it again, you take it out, and then you can go to the full menu as well. This is just quick measurements. If you go here to the settings, as you see, now we have conversions that you can do from foot to inches, centimeter, millimeter, and you have distances of measure between you and the wall or laser, and then you have plus and minus adjustments. You can do the beep on or off, and here would be your quick main measurements. And if you go here with this button, that's where you can go to menu, and you have different kinds of measurements. This is single length, continuous that we saw, area, so you can do, for example, length by width. Then you have volume, like cubic meter or cubic feet. You have indirect length, or what's considered in relation to, like for angles. Then you have indirect height, and then you have stakeout, which would be from point A to point B, then what's the distance from B to C, and so on. And then you have line splitting, and back to single length again, and you can click on it to get back here. And if we click this again, we have like a leveler and all that other stuff. And switch here. This is really cool. And this laser thing is just so cool. Let's say we put it on just manual right now, not just automatic continuous. And I want to know the distance again from here to that box for 0 reasons, but I want to. Click it, and it says 1.719 feet. And that would be absolutely amazing. And you can measure like this, for example. You put the tape right here, and the green laser you see is an indicator of where you're measuring from Exactly. So for example, you're going to measure from there to, I don't know, the box right there. So now you can mark right here to the box, and in that measurement is 1.19. Look at that. 1.19. This is absolutely a beauty, in my opinion, to have with you. And as you just saw there, it enters power saving mode by itself. Goes to sleep just in case you forget it. That's actually really cool. Even though it's rechargeable, you can always go back and charge it, but why not have that feature? That's really cool. And one more thing, you can add it to the app and add it really quick, and just right here. And now it has been added to the app here, and you have the access to it through the app if you wish so. You have probably the history, you have all the stuff that you would need. For example, let me measure something real quick. As you see, throws it on the phone right away. On the app, while I'm measuring, we go from here to there, boom, and it adds it right here, right away. This is really, really cool, actually. And you have access to hand-drawn plans if you want to put something. You have the settings right here, unit of measure. You can do meters, or you can go by feet, for example, and it switches. If you look at the machine itself, while I'm changing it here, it will change it there right away. Look, goes to meters, feet and inches, centimeters, millimeters. I'm gonna leave it on feet, but that's actually really cool. And these are just the tables I told you, measurements we've done, and you can change here points of reference and all that. So you can do whatever you need to do, hand-drawn plan that I told you, and draw on picture. Take a picture and you draw on it if you need some kind of a quick plan, and that's it. It's actually that easy. Boom. So besides that, I really don't know what else to tell you about it, except for the charging port that's here on the side. Just take this flap out and you plug in the USB-C and you are ready to go. This is really cool. I'm actually quite impressed with it. Really, really easy, really well built. It feels premium. It doesn't feel cheap by no means at all. And with that said, that's all I can tell you. A really, really beautiful device. Absolutely love it.